up YouTube, the GOAT again here with another custom. Now, I haven't dropped the video yet, but a week ago I went to the thrift store and I got these Olympic 6s for $8. The tag is still in it. So the shoe is in pretty bad condition, but it's not beat. All it just needs is a simple repaint. I already got somebody who actually wants to buy the shoe in the condition that it is, but you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna fix it up for him. He wants the yellow one to stay in for some reason, but I guess you can tell us how old the shoe is, but whatever, let's get started. Okay, next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna tap off the part that we're gonna not paint on, which is the navy blue. This allows me to just go crazy with the white paint.
Yo, Craigs, play that shit.
Run that back turbo.
Playmakers. Okay. Out on my wrist, counted and spin it. Mad at the coupe, mine with no tenant. Chop out the top, hit it the limits. I got some cash, I wanna spend it. New paper tag, didn't wanna rent it. Too many fads, too many bitches. Roll my slime, get in my lizard. Ready to slide, you will get